All the side panels are cut to dimension, and I'm gluing this bottom piece on right now. I put it up on some paint cans so that it would give me room for the working mechanisms underneath, because I didn't want to just lay on the workbench and put the whole frame in a bind. So this way it rests relatively level, or flat anyway, in the same plane. May not be level. And I ensured that I marked the bottom as bottom, because see, I'll be putting this all together as one rectangular cube before I cut down the sides to create the lid. Okay, just an update. This case is pretty much to the completion point. I just got to stick that little board on top of all this mess when these support pieces continue to cure. And then I've started sanding, and there was a few areas right here that needed filling in since it's plywood. But once the top is on it, I've got this cut line right here, so I'll be able to put this on the table saw, set the height of the blade, just cut on all four sides, and then this piece will be removed and it will become the lid. So I'm just kind of at a standstill. It's always slow when you got a lot of small pieces to glue up. So let me turn this thing around, and that's all we're going to probably do in the shop today. So y'all take care, be safe in your shop. Okay, GoPro, shut off. Shut off. GoPro, stop. Oh crap, this is an Android.